A smoker is a great way to level up your grilling. Smoking is a great way to impart flavor and preserve food. While you can smoke on any grill, a dedicated smoker is shaped to accommodate larger cuts of meat and impart maximum smoke flavor. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smokers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor cooking topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Konnected Joe is an exceptional Kamado grill, enhanced with modern digital features. Its thick ceramic construction not only heats up quickly, but also retains heat efficiently. What sets it apart is the digital control panel, Bluetooth, and wireless app connectivity, which allow for precise temperature regulation via a fan and provide instructions for damper adjustments. This technology ensures a steady temperature throughout long smoking sessions using minimal fuel. The fuel efficiency is a major plus, especially since adding more charcoal can be cumbersome. Remarkably, the Konnected Joe can smoke pork butts for 10 hours without needing a charcoal refill. This grill is versatile and capable of high-heat grilling and baking, though its prowess shines in smoking. A standout feature is the seal around the lid, which traps heat and moisture, maintaining high ambient humidity and reducing the stall effect during smoking. While it functions excellently as a set-it-and-forget-it smoker, it also offers the flexibility to go fully analogous for those who enjoy a hands-on cooking experience. The Konnected Joe is both robust and sizable, with dimensions of 47 by 48 inches, weighing 216 pounds and offering a 255 square inch cooking area. This advanced grill is priced at $16.99 US. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 is an exceptional smoker, ranking as the 4th best on the market. This versatile smoker is designed for both novice and experienced grill enthusiasts, offering remarkable performance and convenience. It can reach 225 degrees Fahrenheit in just 8 minutes, 450 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes, and an impressive 700 degrees Fahrenheit in only 14 minutes, making it ideal for a variety of cooking styles. One of its standout features is the inclusion of a flat-top griddle insert and cast iron grill grates, providing a generous 800 square inches of cooking area. This includes 2 porcelain-coated smoking racks, offering ample space for any culinary endeavor. The digital fan technology ensures consistent temperatures, minimizing heat fluctuations and guaranteeing evenly cooked food. Users can easily control the temperature and cook time via the digital control panel or remotely through smart device control using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This smoker also boasts a built-in temperature gauge and a meat probe thermometer, ensuring perfect results every time. With its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 is priced at $697 US, offering excellent value for those seeking a high-quality smoking experience. Ranked as the 3rd best smoker on the market, the Pit Boss PB44 OFB1 is a powerhouse for any barbecue enthusiast. With a spacious 518 square inches of cooking area, it offers ample room for all your grilling needs. The dial-in digital control with an LCD screen allows precise temperature management, ranging from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For those looking to sear their meats to perfection, this smoker can reach a direct flame-searing temperature of up to 1,000 degrees. The PB44 OFB1 features porcelain-coated steel cooking grids, ensuring durability and easy cleanup. Its 5-pound hopper with a convenient cleanout system keeps your grilling fueled by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets. The smoker's high-temperature matte black powder coat finish not only adds to its sleek appearance but also provides lasting protection against the elements. A solid bottom shelf offers additional storage space for your grilling accessories. The automatic start and cool down features make it user-friendly, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience every time. Whether you're a novice griller or a seasoned pitmaster, the Pit Boss PB44 OFB1 delivers top-notch performance. Priced at just $349, this smoker is a valuable addition to any outdoor cooking setup, promising unmatched flavor and convenience. Since pioneering the wood pellet smoker grill in 1988, Traeger has consistently set the industry standard. The Pro 780 exemplifies this legacy, balancing cost with impressive features and performance. Priced at $799, it offers excellent value for money. Key to its functionality is the auger-driven pellet hopper, which ensures precise regulation of fuel and temperature. This model also boasts modern connectivity, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Alexa integration, complemented by Traeger's proprietary app. During our extensive testing, the Pro 780 delivered a slightly subdued smoke flavor compared to Traeger's pricier models. It also tended to run 10 to 15 degrees hotter than the set temperature. Despite these minor issues, it produced a beautifully barked pork butt with a distinct smoke ring. Beyond smoking, the Pro 780's versatility shines as it also grills and bakes, catering to those who prefer a multi-purpose appliance. With dimensions of 55 by 27 by 49 inches and a weight of 150 pounds, it provides a substantial cooking area of 780 square inches, making it a robust addition to any outdoor cooking setup. The Dyna-Glo Signature Series DG SS 1382 stands as the premier choice among charcoal smokers. Its size may intimidate novices, but with a bit of assembly help, the learning curve proves gentle. Heat regulation is straightforward, requiring minimal vent adjustments due to its efficient top and side dampers. We only needed to remove a few coals to manage the temperature effectively, showcasing its responsive heat control. Our tests revealed that the Dyna-Glo excels in producing succulent ribs with an impressive smoke ring and a perfect balance of tenderness and smoky flavor. While the charcoal imparted a mild smokiness to the wings, a slightly bitter aftertaste emerged, though it didn't detract from the juicy chicken. For both seasoned smokers and beginners, the Dyna-Glo Signature Series delivers exceptional results without overwhelming the user. Measuring 46 by 25 by 59 inches and weighing 124 pounds, it offers a substantial 1382 square inches of cooking space, priced at $450. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.